Hey guys, what's up? This is Shivali from eGadgets for you, and in this video, as you have seen this particular title, I am going to share the experience of my iPhone 13 Pro that I have had. Anyways, before anything else, I must say you that this particular video is shot with the back camera of iPhone 13 Pro, so it will pretty much give you an idea that how is the video recording capability, which is actually the best according to me till now in any smartphones. Anyways, putting aside this particular thing, what I wanted to tell you is that, as you all know, that when Apple launched the iPhone 13 Pro, I have pre-booked the 256GB variant for that iPhone 13 Pro, but it was giving me a 2 months waiting period, and the approximate date that was made available for my pre-booking was clashing with a tour that I had, a business tour that I had to take, and I had to be out of station, so I was not able to exchange my then iPhone 12 with iPhone 13 Pro, so I had to cancel that booking. And when I have actually came back after that particular trip, I was actually trying to find the iPhone 13 Pro 256GB variant, but it was not available anywhere whatsoever. Anyways, after waiting for some days, I found the 120GB was made available, and I quickly gone ahead and got this particular phone, and I was using it. I was very happy, and it was giving me a very good experience. Now, speaking of good experience, I just had the worst experience with my iPhone 13 Pro. I want to share this particular thing with all you guys so that you are aware of this particular thing. Now, it had been 1 week since I purchased this particular iPhone 13 Pro, and I was using it extensively, and I was happy with it. Then suddenly one day, a very bright green dot appeared in the center of my iPhone 13 Pro. And yes, I was worried because I had spent a hell lot of money in this particular phone. So yes, I was skeptical also now, but I tried to search a lot of forums, a lot of articles, a lot of videos, but I had found no help whatsoever from any person who faced similar issue with iPhone 13 Pro, whatsoever. But after doing extensive research, I found out that a person, I forgot the country, but he faced this exact similar issue with his newly purchased iPhone 11, and it was termed by Apple Service Center as a dead pixel. So yes, I had to take my phone to the Apple Service Center. So quickly I took backup of my iPhone 13 Pro using the iTunes in my PC. If you don't know how to do it, I had a dedicated video for that. I'll put the link in the cards and the description as well. You can refer to that. Anyways, going off topic. Now I want to show you that what this exact dead pixel was looking like, but it was very difficult to take a photo or a video, because whether I was taking a photo even with a digital camera also, this particular thing was not actually made visible, but it was pretty much visible in the human eyes, because it was very distinct, very small, very minute, very small dot, but it was a very bright green dot that was appearing in the center of the screen. Mind you, when I was locking my phone, that particular dot was not appearing at all, but at any time when the phone is on or the switched on, I mean to say when the screen was unlocked and the screen was on, that particular dot was visible. So yes, I took the backup, gone to Service Center, Apple Service Center over there, and they quickly acknowledged it that yes, it's a dead pixel, and they would exchange my iPhone 13 Pro. So they told me to submit my phone, but they told that I had to wait at least 10 days because a new set was not available. How can they exchange my old set? So yes, it was a bit of a dilemma, but I had no other options. I had to submit my iPhone 13 Pro over there. I had submitted it, and after submitting it, after 3 days, I started calling them every day, and they were telling me to wait because of course it was not available iPhone 13 Pro. So after waiting for 10 days or so, they gave me a call and they told me that yes, they were not able to exchange my entire phone, but they have changed the entire display of my iPhone 13 Pro, and they have tested it for a day or so, and it was working fine, and it has passed all the checks and parameters of Apple checking systems and all. So yes, I went the next day to the Apple Service Center, and I took my phone, I've checked it, and it was looking well. And yes, I've received this particular phone, and you can see the receipt letter, also the formats and everything that this particular documentation. I have blacklisted some of the things for security purposes, but the gist of it, you can get it from this particular document as well. Now, I could have made this particular video the moment I have received this particular iPhone 13 Pro, but I wanted to use it for 2 weeks at least before making this particular video, so I am sure that everything was working fine with my iPhone 13 Pro. And yes, till now it's a great experience. As you know, you must have watched several review videos of the iPhone 13 Pro on YouTube as well, and yes, it's a phone that you can say it's quite ahead of its time, and it will last for long years to come as well. And yes, it's giving me a great experience till date after the exchange of just after changing the entire screen of my iPhone 13 Pro. Till now, after using it for 2 weeks or so, it has not given me any issues whatsoever. But I wanted to make this particular video because at the time when I faced this particular issue, there was no video, no articles present whatsoever. So by now you know, if you are faced with this particular issue, what are the steps you need to take, and what are the reasons behind it, and what are the precautions you have to take. So yes, hope this particular video was helpful for you. If you found this particular video helpful, please to consider liking, and please share with your friends and families, because you don't know who or whom can face this particular issue whatsoever. Anyways, hope this video was helpful. This will be it for this particular video. I'll see you soon, guys, with the next video in my YouTube channel. Stay subscribed for that. Turn on the notification bell for that. Bye for now.